kingdom of our God shall stand, while other kingdoms rise and fall. He reigns in power and majesty, as King and Lord of all. His throne endures through all of time. He reigns in truth and rules the light. The Lord is robed in majesty. He's armed in power.